That shit was fun, but close, almost buttered my toast. I cook a slug, I'm too big to duck behind a light post. We don't fight soft, I wipe my nights off. One of our soldiers died, a slight loss. I'm glad y'all brought his body back the street under the sheet. Can't leave him laying in the street, dead in defeat. And if his face complete, we'll kiss him on the cheek and bury him with dignity and never miss a beat. Then on to Operation Liquidation, translate Retaliation, Annihilation. Stop till they choke, tight, bagged up, refrigerated. Everything neck up, blown off, obliterated. So quit crying over dude, man the fuck up. Stand the fuck up, it ain't your fault, he ran his luck up. I took a bullet too, but I ain't tripping. Let's pop the clips in, but don't be like him and caught slipping. Y'all are gonna follow me, no questions. They stay true to the Chico. We are gonna live by these directions, and we're never gonna let go. Let go. Live by the streets, die by the streets. Never get above it, never gonna flee the laws of the streets. Tried by the streets, never get around it, never going free. I said killers get to riding, bust full clips, but y'all still in here hiding like some pussy hole lips. That light 7, 14, 21, 28. I stay in chains. I think your rain, blood or rain, feel the pain right on Main. I'm thinking Jane, get it made, hit the cane, sick and sing. For dishonor, we didn't buy a word. Who the fuck inspired you? Big nature, big bird. Thus you have an issue, we bust, we'll miss you. Get even. Is that your heart beating or your nerve creeping? I'm with cheating long as you undefeated. My slugs will leave you leaking. Heat seeking tickets to a Jesus meeting. What's up with all this bridgetism? This shit is blasphemy. You need to blasphemy. Bloody a masterpiece. The way y'all sit around crying over this one dead buster make me think he blew a mean dick. He must have stayed. Y'all are gonna follow me, no questions. They stay true to the Chico. We are gonna live by these directions, and we're never gonna let go. Let go. Live by the streets, die by the streets. Never get above it, never gonna flee the laws of the streets. Tried by the streets, never get around it, never going free. Gangsta codes, that don't mean shit to ya. Crybaby hoes, need to dump a cut through ya. Lead flying, I wanna hear your mama crying. What you mean more than a red flame? Kids dying, tough shit. Who cares about them? They fucked, and they're falling to the sheet. He should've ducked. You ask when does it stop? When we on top to the 9 with the sunslide. That bomb drop, I cause catastrophe to show they ain't as bad as me. To say that ain't a reason is treason is sad to me. Fucking tragedy. Look what I